The job market in the Indian startup ecosystem is bleeding. It is credited to the continued issue of funding winter has forced Indian startups to leave thousands of employees out in the cold. Welcome to Varindia News Hour. Despite being the fastest growing economy in the ongoing financial year, India's economy faces risks this year and will slow down considerably. India's domestic growth prospects remains robust, but economists feel that there is no escaping the cascading impact of the global economic slowdown, which could hurt various key segments' growth. A report states that in the first half of 2023, about 70 startups have laid off more than 17,000 employees as per data sourced from recruitment and staffing firm CIEL HR. Startups, which typically depend on external investments for growth, downsized after a slump in the investor funding forced them to cut costs and conserve cash. This is not to say that there is a dearth of capital in the ecosystem. India-focused funds are sitting on an unallocated capital of an estimated $18 billion as per the analysts. However, the flow of capital into startups has become selective amid the economic downturn, and investors are writing checks only for companies that are demonstrating a path to profitability. The IT industry hiring continued to remain an area of concern, with a 46% decline in new jobs created compared to July last year, it said. Besides IT, FMCG, retail, BPO, insurance and education sectors showed cautious hiring sentiments with a 16 to 23% decline in new job creation compared to July last year. There are sectors focused on the domestic economy such as oil and gas and real estate continued to hire aggressively. This reflected a resilience in the domestic economy. Meanwhile, new job openings in AI-related fields stayed flat around 31,780 compared to 32,205 in June. This is a significant number, and it is indicative of the challenges that Indian startups are facing. There are a number of factors that have contributed to the current state of the Indian startup job market. While the current scheme of things has prompted many marquee investors to instruct their portfolio startups to cut costs and increase runaways, many founders seem to have caused a bloodbath in the job market in the name of undertaking cost-cutting measures. EdTech has seen the most layoffs, followed by consumer services and e-commerce. The three sectors have collectively seen 50 startups laying off 20,469 employees since last year. Now, halfway through 2023, funding in the world's third largest startup ecosystem has further faded significantly. According to Inc.42's Indian Tech Startup Funding Report H1 2023, Indian startups raised $5.4 billion in the first 6 months of 2023, down 72% compared to approximately $19 billion raised during the corresponding post last year. Let's look into today's headlines. Cisco enhances its extended detection and response solution. Cisco is enhancing its extended detection and response, that is XDR solution. By adding recovery to the response process, Cisco XDR is redefining what customers should expect from security products. Cisco continues to drive momentum towards its vision of the Cisco Security Cloud, a unified AI-driven cross-domain security platform. With the launch of Cisco XDR, Cisco is delivering deep telemetry and unmatched visibility across the network and endpoints. Karnataka government plans to launch a cab aggregator app similar to Ola and Uber. Karnataka's transport minister said that the government is planning to start an app like cab aggregators Ola and Uber. The decision came after taxi and auto unions met the minister and expressed their concerns. The minister also said that he will discuss the concerns of the unions with the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. YouTube testing its AI-powered auto-generated summaries. Google is expanding the use of artificial intelligence technology across its products and services, with its streaming platform YouTube announcing that it is testing AI auto-generated summaries. The AI technology will automatically generate summaries of YouTube videos, offering a quick overview of what it is about. These summaries will, however, not replace video descriptions that are written by content creators. Microsoft appoints former AWS executive Puneet Chandok to lead India operations. Microsoft has announced Puneet Chandok's appointment as Corporate Vice President of Microsoft India and South Asia. Effective 1st September 2023, he will assume the operational responsibilities from Anant Maheshwari. Supported by a strong leadership team, Puneet will oversee the integration of Microsoft's businesses across South Asia, including Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. Government makes e-invoicing mandatory for businesses with Rs 5 crores and above. The Indian government has mandated e-invoicing for all GST taxpayers whose aggregate annual turnover exceeds Rs 5 crores. The move has been implemented from 1st of August. Over the years, this threshold for mandatory e-invoicing has been consistently brought down from initially covering only companies above Rs 500 crores of annual turnover to now Rs 5 crores. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Varindia News Magazine. You can download the Varindia app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.